going on? I'm here on Cape Cod, having a great day. And we're going to walk through some of the things with this new kit. Okay, so a lot of people have been asking quite often how I bolt these wings onto the foil, and you can easily modify the standard kit or the other kits to have the wings bolt on, but I went ahead and I decided to make a version of the kit that is easier to make these wings bolt on. So obviously I use 3 bolts in the front and then 2 in the rear, and in the new kit the inserts are already epoxied into the fuselage. So there's 3 inserts already epoxied in, and then in the rear there's 2 inserts already epoxied in. And this is painted, so obviously you can't see the wood core, which is the wing, but there will be an epoxy space for these bolts to go through, and same in the back. So all that epoxy is already in place and the inserts are already in place, and then it comes down to your choice of, do you want to countersink the bolts and have them nice and flush like this one. I went ahead and countersunk. So these are the countersunk bolts, and then there's the panhead bolts, and those sit just on top, they're not flush. I don't really notice a difference speed-wise, performance-wise. I don't feel them. I think the difference between a countersunk and a panhead bolt would matter when we're talking like really fast racing speeds. Then I can see it becoming a factor. But at these slower to mid-range speeds, you won't feel it. So if you're not going to countersink, it doesn't matter. The panheads sit right on top, a lot easier to do. When you're countersinking, you have to be more precise, and then you also have to have the drill bits to do so. Alright, so that is it for the bolt-on kit. Hopefully that answered some questions that you guys might have. As always, just glass the kit just like any other kit, and then drill out the wings and you'll be able to bolt them on, and then you'll have a nice compact foil if you're traveling, because you'll be able to take these wings off. And also potentially maybe you're in a spot that's quite rocky and you could bang up a wing, and this way it would be a lot easier to take the wing off. Maybe you might need a new wing, or it'll make it easier to repair that wing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna get out on this foil, get some riding in, and have a great time.